Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to this TV. So first of all, we need to power on our Bluetooth device. Then after this one, go to the settings of the TV. Then select sound output. Then tap on the option Bluetooth speaker list. Then if you scroll down, here you can see the name of that Bluetooth speaker. Now we need to pair the speaker to this TV. Tap on this one, pair and connect. Just wait for a few seconds. You can see this connected. So simply in this way, we can connect our TV speaker to Bluetooth device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.